As you can see here, if you go to riskfilter.org, you can access, and everybody really can access the WF Risk Filter Suite that you can see here on my screen with the biodiversity risk filter and the water risk filter. Now, as you can see here in the top right corner, we have a login button with this little personal icon. Also, if you are expanding here, either the biodiversity or the water risk filter, you can see that in order to go to the assess module, you will have to log in. It is right now blocked. You can't go because you don't have a login quite yet. Same here with the water risk filter. Before you can go into the portfolio manager or analyze your water risk, you will have to log in. So this is really the first step. So let's do this together. If you click on the button here, you will be brought to your login screen, and then you can fill out your username and your password. Well, what happens if you don't have a username and password yet? Well, you can always register for a new account. It is free. You have to provide just your name and some information. You can do this by clicking here to create a new account, fill out the information, your email, password, and then you will be getting an activation email into your email account through which you can then log in. Once you already have a registration and once you already have an account, then you can go here easily into the login screen, fill in your username and your password, and log in. Once you do that, you're indeed now able to go into the assess section, and you can see that now all of the different parts of the assess module are available to us. Now, as I said, before we go into biodiversity or water, what we want to really do is go to the portfolio manager. You can see the top right corner now has changed. It is not longer saying log in, but now you can actually go into the portfolio manager.